guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we're gonna be unboxing exciting macaron pop mart the monsters. So the front page. So here's the other ones. So soy milk, lychee berry, green grape, sea salt, coconut, toffee, sesame bean is secret.
Okay, let's go.
So open it. It's a nice one. Got the blue one. Got the blue one. Okay.
Alright, let's go. Ooh, what's the name?
Some sea salt coconut.
Alright.
So cute.
Other
I
side.
love it. I love it. It's
Okay.
pop mart.
Dance.
I got pink one.
The pink one.
So yeah, let's
Alright.
go. So make sure to subscribe, like, and share. Bye. Bye bye.